substantive modification of the judgment. We can't do it like this in a miscellaneous application.
No.
And
in the light of the disclosure which has come to light of the political parties, that's why I'm saying.
And it was not a
if the political parties had disclosed the donor details, this would not be required.
Draw the line somewhere. We had to hold the balance. We've held the balance ultimately.
As your Lordship pleases, but I just
can I just add one sentence? Lordship said all the details. Lordship may consider, my lord. I have pointed out that 6 details may be necessary, my lord. One is the serial number because they say 28,030 bonds have been issued. The second would be the date.
1 second. When you say serial number, you mean the alphanumeric,
Total
right?
number of bonds issued are 28,030. I'm not saying when a Lordship said all details, not in my respectful submission, it will be.
Mr. Sarve has been.
No, Lord, Lordship, just permit me a minute.
Sarve has fairly stated that he will all the details.
No,
why?
Yes.
No, my lord, if I can just show.
And dates are all already disclosed.
What your Lordship would say, my lord. I'm just pointing out what details can be there. First is serial number. Second is the date. The third would be alphanumerical number. Fourth column would be name of the donor. Fifth column would be the name of a political party. And sixth column would be the amount. My lord, this will cover all the details, not in my respectful submission.
My lord, this is now asking us to sit down and collate one.
This is a submission made to the court. Just like Mr. Salve made a submission to the court. I'm making.
Yeah, we need.
Very well. I'm making a submission to the court. Mr. Salve asking us to do whatever. Look,
Please permit my lord the Chief Justice to dictate the order now at least.
Secondly, my lord, the Lordship said, Lordship has seen that IA, my lord. I filed that IA. For a preview, if a Lordship have taken a conscious decision on that aspect of the matter, my lord, Lordship may say, my lord, because the order said, my lord, the voters are entitled to know as a right of information. If a Lordship have taken a conscious decision on that matter, my lord, it will be from 12th of April only because we said, my lord, it should be, my lord. Otherwise, logically, once the right to know, my lord, is inbuilt in the system, in right to know of the voter, then, very well, I'll leave it at that.
And there is a specific direction with effect from 12th April.
Then your Lordship said, I have not pressed the application.
So, Bhujan, there will be no end to it.
What is the IA number, Mr. Ansariya? Just 1 second, Mr. IA number which you are not pressing is IA number?
Diary number 12580-2024. Which is MA number. MA diary number.
So that you are not pressing?
Yes, no.
Just
Just
one,
say it. MA
by way
diary
of
number
information on
12580-2024. Mr. Vijay Hansaria, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of the applicant, states after some submissions at the bar that the miscellaneous application is not pressed.
In view of whatever proceedings have gone to the court, in view of the proceedings before
in view of whatever.
If your Lordship, you can say that.
Otherwise, in view of what? In view, we'll say, in view of the specific directions contained in paragraph 200, in paragraph 219, bracket B and C of the judgment of this court dated 15 February 2024.
just one fact by way of information.
Enough of assistance by this public-spirited person, my lord. Your Lordship doesn't need any further assistance.
The details of the number of bonds shown by the in the data.
He is gathering the details for a future PIL, my lord, so that remains in. He remains relevant.
Now, please permit my lord the Chief Justice to dictate the order.
Heard everybody, Mr.
I was just pointing out that there is a huge mismatch between the number of bonds purchased and the number of bonds encashed in the data submitted by the State Bank to the Election Commission. They are showing 18,871 bonds purchased, but showing 20,421 bonds redeemed. The total amount of bonds purchased is 12,155 crores. And the amount redeemed is 12,769 crores, that is 550 crores more than what were purchased. Now the explanation for this could be because the data is from 12th April. At that time, the bond purchase was going on. On 12th April 2019, it was going on. What is possible is that some of these bonds were purchased prior to 12th April 2019, but redeemed after 12th April 2019, and that is why there is a mismatch. But I just wanted to point out there is a very large mismatch.
There is no, Malad, these figures are not authentic. I've given the authentic
18,000 versus
Sponsored NGOs are, my lord, fudging the figures and bringing their own. My lord, your Lordships are aware, there is a beautiful my lord, quotation by Einstein that some people use statistics like a drunken man uses lamp posts more for support than for illumination.
I'm just showing the number. I'm saying that
And
18,000.
this is what happens, my
Okay,
lord, when
we'll now
it,
leave it at that. I will.
My lord, those numbers are not right, since, my lord, because all this is going to play out, the numbers are not right. The corrected numbers were not given in our application.
वो अलग ऑर्डर पास कर देंगे इसमें एमए में ऐसा लिख लीजिए इन सबपैरा बी and C of paragraph 221 of the judgment of this court dated 15